Today we're going to announce the winner of the Dayton Audio amplifier and 8-inch mini subwoofer kit. If you've ever been to a silent disco, you know how much fun they can be. Talent now has new gear which features even more customization for anyone looking to throw their own event. Choose from even more colors with the all-new Prism headsets and get the party started. Spooky season is here, and we hope you're putting out your decorations. When doing so, consider speakers and amplifiers and exciters as great options to celebrate the holiday. You can learn more about how to decorate and save yourself 12% on the equipment at partsexpress.com. Use promo code SPOOKY23 and watch the prices fall. Speaking of fall, our annual Stocktober has arrived, and we have plenty of gear on sale now. Click the link in the description and you can save on many great products, including power strips, lights, subwoofers, amplifiers, microphones, and more. Last month, Dayton Audio and GRS paired up to give away a remarkable package featuring the DTA 100LF and the EQ Plus 8-inch subwoofer kit. The winner of this pair of prizes is Bruce W. from Austin, Texas. Congratulations, Bruce. We'll be in touch soon. This month, Parts Express is giving away a $250 shopping spree so you can get whatever you want. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.